Akiaria hindi ya ndereti ya watho wa kĩgĩna, mũmbunge wa Suna East Junet Mohamed nĩorĩtie thirikari ĩtĩkĩre kwanĩrĩra kĩng'ang'ainĩ atĩ nĩma ona yongerera magoti Akenya matikoretwo na ũhoti wa kũmarĩha amu ona thengia wa watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka ũyũ kũgathĩkwo na kũrongoreria magoti ma makĩria ma ciringi mirioni 239 yahotire gũkinyanĩria o gĩcunjĩ kĩa 61 harĩ igana kĩa magoti marĩa yatanyĩte kũngania kũhĩtũkĩra rũhonge rwa KRA.
Mr. Speaker, if we are going to make life difficult, for example, Mr. Speaker, last year we passed a finance bill here, which is a Finance Act of 2023. How much money have we collected using that? We did not reach our target.
The last year's proposal was intending to raise 214 billion. But because it was oppressive, Kenyans did not pay as expected. And in fact, what we collected was only 131 billion out of that finance bill, which was only 53% of the target. Mr. Speaker, the more burden you put on people, the more likely that they are going to look for ways to avoid that tax.
Nĩ ndereti icũngĩrĩirie mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya kĩgĩna Kuria Kimani orie mũingĩ ũikari ũrĩ maitho kũmũrĩka ũrĩa mbeca irahũthĩrwo thirikari-inĩ.
Kenyans in the public to interrogate the expenditure side of this budget as they are interrogating the financing side. This, Honorable Speaker, will lead to a more robust budget-making process, reduce or prevent budgeted corruption, maintain fiscal discipline in the use of our resources by our executive, Honorable Speaker. Because one of the credit cases we face, Honorable Speaker, is the trust deficit on what this will be used.
Mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro ũthing'ĩrĩirie atĩ hatirĩ bata wa kũrehe rĩendekithia rĩerũ rĩa watho wa kĩgĩna angĩkorwo watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka ũyũ ũrathira ndũnahota gũkinyanĩria cioneki cia thirikari.
Now that is a proof that higher taxation does not yield to higher revenues, Mr. Speaker. Lower taxation yields to higher revenues. If you make the taxation process easy and simple and which everyone wants to pay, that is when you will collect money. But when you tax it highly, people will look for ways to evade it, people will look for ways to not to pay it, and that is the norm.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.